Welcome to the Battle of Butchers 2025. They've got 2 hours. It's quite a challenge for them. 3, 2, 1, go.
Enjoyed it, little bit out of his comfort zone, but if you don't get out there every now and then, you're not going to see a lot, are we? The competition were a little bit challenging. It's first year ever doing it.
And it's just a bit of a challenge for myself, really, to make sure that me and Pete can probably still be competing with the rest.
Big round of applause. Now to the winner is for Best Butchery Apprentice Golden Clear Award goes to Nikita Sommer. The winner of Battle of Butchers 2025 goes to Radford's Butchers.
And he's just announced that we're coming back.